This next week we are going to fall big time, and in this video I'm going to break down precisely why we are going down. I'm going to tell you the stock of the week to keep a look out for the next couple of months, and I will tell you which crypto that will skyrocket the next couple of months. So let's get into it. First up, why are we going down this week? To me, we are currently manipulating this pattern here. So this is a classic retail pattern. What are retail doing right now? Well, they have just gone long right there. Stops there. So I'll show you this on a daily. What we've done here the last couple of weeks, we built up liquidity. I'll show you. Where's the liquidity? Is right there. Why? Well, I'll tell you. First off, that's a double top. So once, I'll show you twice. We've done it 3 times, 4, and finally we got the breakout. And that's not even including flags and all, right? So we've built up so much liquidity right above this right there. So what will the banks be able to do now? Well, they will be able to take a short position right here. Why? Well, there's so much liquidity, simply. So that is why they don't need the price to go above this one, and why we won't do that next week. Where are we targeting? Well, we're going right below this one, low right there, because that is where we built up liquidity, and the banks gotta buy up the positions they have down there to be able to continue. So this is the predicted move I have for next 2-3 weeks. And why this liquidity here is so relevant as well is because this is also a manipulation move, right? You need that manipulation move to be able to get the bigger move, because this create a lot of retail will have stops right down here, right? So we always want that manipulation move. Next, the stock of the week is Nike. Why? Well, we have been building up liquidity for a very, very long time in this stock. First off, we get here, we build up once, we build up twice, and here we get inducement. So even more stops here because people go long, just like that, right? And now even on the lower time frames as well. Look at this right here. Here, people went long, stops on this, right? Right here, what do we get here? A little ending diagonal. I don't use that pattern, by the way. I just use it to find the manipulation. People go long here, stops right under there, and people have stops here under this one for this double bottom. So to me, we have now induced, which is the fake move. We have swept liquidity, and I really like the structure of this, right? I don't really either see this as a necessary place to sweep. I just see this as our order block right here. And as you can see also, we are respecting the middle point. Yeah, well, basically, it's just that we have very clear inducement. The stops the retail are right here. So the banks will now be able to take a position, right? And that is ultimately what they've been waiting for. So I anticipate the low of Nike will come with this next little move here. Hopefully, we get one last sweep here, right? So we get like a cheeky inducement where we go above this trend line. So the retail go long, but put their stops down below there. There it is actually. See that little intermediate low there? Yeah. So so hopefully what I want to see on the daily time from Nike is that we get this daily sweep here. So we go above this trend line here, which will make retail go, yeah, we're going long here. Well, no, you're not. You're getting stopped out right there, right down below there. That's where the stops are going to be. And that's where we are going to catch the Nike bottom of a couple of years forward. Probably going to all time. So that's my prediction for Nike. So next, what is the crypto that is going to absolutely explode? Well, it's Bitcoin. No, it's not. It's Ethereum, guys. I mean, this is a golden opportunity that we're gonna have right here. Okay, it's gonna explode soon, and I'll tell you precisely why. First off, I've already got my alarms here, everything. I'm really waiting for this one. Well, on the monthly here, what have we got? Well, we've got our monthly inducement, which means retail have position right here. Where are their stops? Well, they put it right there at that low, because that's the closest intermediate term low on the monthly. And if we look at the weekly time frame, that is strengthened. Just look, we have double bottom, double bottom, double bottom, double bottom, double bottom, trend line, sweep, stops, double bottom. Okay, so we got a lot of people that have gone long and put their stops down here. Okay, so yeah, we've been loading up with liquidity for months here, and the dot over the I is this right here. Is a beautiful order block as well. So the banks have already positioned here, and they're going to fill up their positions right there. So we do not anticipate this low right here to be broken. No, in fact, we anticipate the move to begin right below that low as we enter the order block. And after that, I mean, there really won't be anything to stop Ethereum from going to, well, let's say this is our, yeah, I think genuinely, I believe we're going to roughly 10 grand, 8 grand, between 8 to 10 grand at least. You know, it could be a super duper strong move, you know, we're going higher and using this as support then. But yeah, it can definitely fly. So make sure you put your alarms at 2,111 on Ethereum, okay? Because this is not a trade that you want to miss. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you found it useful, and really go study this pattern of inducement. Where does retail put their stops if they're a breakout trader? Oh, they put it right here. And look how the banks sweep that specific spot where they put their stops, and then the big move comes, right? And if you want another video on that, where I will explain it more in depth, look at this video right here. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.